I'm organizing the Future Crafts project. Is the we love the making and crafting. The main our purpose of our project is the we are making the future of the craft, making the new interface or new smart textile or new food tech or with the lots of unique material and functional material, that kind of thing. Our mission is the make impact in the society. So that's why we are collaborating lots of joint company. We collaborating with the Zozo Technology is the fashion company, and to make the smart textile, and also we are collaborating the Bandai Namco to make the new food and entertainment. Also nowadays we are collaborating with the Nihon Television is making future display. So that by talking with this kind of company, so that we of course we are developing new interface or display by hearing their opinion, but the final mission is the we want to deploy this kind of things in the society or our life.